I'm Jamie McNeese. I am a bladder cancer survivor, and I have my procedure that I chose to deal with that is an Indiana pouch, also known as a continent reservoir urinary diversion. Um, so I also happen to be a health insurance agent, which in my case was really handy when I first got diagnosed. And so I had the good fortune to understand that whole portion of the cancer journey experience. And it's important for everybody who does get diagnosed with any kind of cancer to understand how their health insurance is going to work. So, first of all, anything that I do for you related to health insurance would be free. I just want to give you two resources if you want to talk to somebody about how to make your health insurance work to give you better access to cancer care. So I'm also a volunteer at an organization called Michelle's Place Cancer Resource Center that's located in Temecula in Southern California. So first I want to give you their phone number. That number is 951-699-5455. If you call and ask for help, even if you're in another state other than California, they are more than happy to take your call. And what I want you to say is, I saw Jamie on YouTube. That will give them just some context and a frame of reference so that they know how to help you. The other thing I want to offer to you is my phone number. My phone number is 951-265-2784. If you have any questions related to health insurance and getting better access to care, I'm happy to take that call as well, especially if you've been diagnosed with bladder cancer. So you have resources other than just insurance and your doctor's office and speaking directly to your insurance company. I think it's also helpful to get a point of reference on what some of your other options are as well. So I just wanted to share that with you. I mean it from the bottom of my heart. If you've been diagnosed with cancer, if you are a cancer survivor, my heart is with you because we're part of the same tribe. Have a wonderful day and thrive.